Hi, this video will show you how to add supplier purchase order. So you go to supplier, click on it, and then you go to supplier purchase orders. When you click on it, you are going to click on new purchase. So next is to enter the information needed. Okay. So you're going to make sure that every information that you're providing here are all correct. Okay. So we are almost done. I see the VAT should be 13 or 15. Then, okay. So over here, you're going to select what you're buying, the stock code. Then you're going to select. Going to select, type and select. Yep. So remember, this add more item is if you want to add more item, you can do that. So when you're done, you click on save. Yeah, this process is successful. So here are the list of purchase orders. Yeah, supplier purchase orders. So if you click on view purchase, you're going to see all the existing purchases that have been made. Okay, so that's how you can add the purchase orders, supplier purchase orders.